So let's just talk about window and the global object. So in the browser we have this window object, and in the window object we have so many methods that we can use. So we have the clear interval, we have clear timeout, and so many methods. Like an example, we can write window.alert and we can create one alert, and also we can use that like window.setTimeout and we can create 2 seconds delay. So after 2 seconds we have this console log. So in the browser we can interact with the DOM, we can use the document, we can use the window, and we have access to all of that methods. And also we can just remove this window. So because this is implied, so we can directly write alert and we can create one alert. But in case of Node, here we do not have the DOM, so we cannot access the document or the window. So if we try to console log window, so you can see it is throwing this error, window is not defined. So because we are outside of the browser environment, we do not have access to window or the DOM. Instead we have the global object. So if we console log global, so you can see inside the global object we have the method clear interval, clear timeout, set interval, set timeout. So we can use the global object and we can call the set timeout method. So we can set the timeout of 2 seconds, and after 2 seconds we can console log 2 seconds delay. So let's just run this. So after 2 seconds you can see we have this console log, and because this is implied, also we can just remove that and our code will just work fine. So after 2 seconds of delay you can see we have this output. So here in the node, because we are outside of any browser, so here we do not have the DOM or the document object model. Instead, Node provides us with a lot of APIs through its modules that we can use for different functionality. So hope you understand about this Node's global object. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.